Hi kids, I want you to know the STAR classroom rules. These are the STAR classroom rules. S. S stands for speak politely. Raise your hand and wait for your turn to talk. Use please and thank you. Letter T stands for treat everyone with kindness. Keep your hands, feet, and objects to yourself. Respect the personal space and belongings of your classmates. Letter A stands for always be prepared. Bring your books, pencils, and completed homework to class. Listen carefully the first time the teacher gives instructions. And letter R stands for respect the classroom. Keep your desk tidy or your armchair. Clean up after yourself and put materials away when finished. These are the STAR classroom rules.